Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Discover Angling. I'm your host Pat. With me today is my father-in-law Elliot.
Hello.
Today's episode is called Lake St Clair Smallmouth, Elliot's Revenge.
Today's going to be my time to prove that getting skunked here is ending today.
That's exactly right. Every time, the reason why it's called Elliot's Revenge is every time we've come out here for the past several years to try and get some smallmouth, somehow we just miss the window. We get skunked every single time. So I think I'm hoping that we hit the window today. Just the right conditions, right time. We had some luck in Door County last year.
Got some nice smallmouth.
Yeah.
Really nice. Learning that net rig helped.
Yeah. So he knows a thing or two about the Ned rig now. So we're gonna get at it, and we're feeling good. We're thinking we're gonna get some fish. Good conditions today. So we'll see you soon. Got one. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, nice smallie. He's not that big. I can net him. Oh. Here he comes on the Lake St Clair special, the X-Zone Slammer in Goby Crush. Come here, buddy. Hey. There he is. There's that little guy. What do you think? All right, the skunk is officially off the boat.
That's a beauty.
Yeah, he's not bad. He's a pretty little guy. Oh, look, he's been eating something.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's a
crayfish.
I think that's what it is. I think it's a crayfish. Yeah, it's a crayfish. I'll try and zoom in on it. See down his mouth? Got the crayfish, see the claws in there? Hungry little fella. Bye-bye.
Nice.
All right, the skunk is history. But so is my bait.
What?
All the dinghies are out today. It must be dinghy day. All the little watercraft are out today. How's your drag? You doing okay?
Yeah.
Rod tip up. All right. All right. Ooh, not a bad one. Not a bad one. Oh, Elliot has achieved revenge. Vengeance. What'd you get him on? Tube? That tube, right?
Yeah.
All right, here, I'll bring him this way. Whoop. There's a Lake St Clair smallmouth for you. There we are. It's a big rock bass. It's a big rock bass. Dude, that's the second time that's happened where I've caught like a Mondo rock bass out here. You know what? Hand me right directly behind you. Can you hand me the yellow? Yeah. Because this might be a master angler rock bass. It's pretty big. Whoa. Nah, maybe not. He's a solid 9-inch rock bass. All right, buddy. Goodbye. Oh man, he just revealed how frayed my line is. I gotta retie.
Really?
Yeah, my line is beat to hell. At this point in the episode, we actually move away from Lake St Clair. Although we were hoping for more than 3 fish that day, we did achieve our primary objective, which was to put Elliot on a Lake St Clair smallmouth once and for all. Now when Elliot shows up to Lake St Clair, he knows what he's doing, and the smallmouth are going to know that he needs business. So I was very happy to finally get him on a fish out there. It's funny, we've tried several times, probably half a dozen other times, fishing from shore, and just never hit the right window, never hit the right time, whatever. So finally we got him on one out there, and now he can Now he could join the ranks of people who have caught fish on Lake St Clair, I guess. For the rest of the video, we're going to be looking at a few different clips from the Huron River. Tried a few different spots. Tried a couple different baits. We've got the high def craw by Tackle HD, and we've got a new kind of pretty cool bait by a company called Rabid Baits. So that's rabid, like a rabid dog. Rabid Baits makes this little crayfish with hair or fur on its claws. So it was a fun bait to use. I think it was pretty cool. I'm definitely going to be looking forward to using it some more. I've got links to those companies' websites in the description of the video, so you can check them out and pick them up for yourself. But stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Got ourselves a rock bass.
Is that the fish?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Ah! Oh.
That's a great sign. How were you working?
Oh yeah, he bit it.
It's a rock bass. I didn't
Yeah.
notice that.
He bit it on the when I was pulling it out of the water, really.
Oh, okay.
So
You're pretty brave.
I was kind of done working it at that point. Goodbye, Mr. Rock Bass. Whew. Northern Mike with a little action.
Nice dark. Whoa.
Oh, there he goes. Damn, what do you got there, Mike?
Look at that from in here, man.
That's nice.
Wow. I gotta get a picture of him. That's a nice one.
Dude, way to go.
Did not expect this tiny one too.
Really? What'd you get him on? That little
Yeah.
pumpkin seed thing?
Yep.
All right, rock bass time. There he is. Beep, 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 beep. There he goes. Throwing this little Rabid Baits craw that I got in the monster bass. So, it's a pretty cool little bait. Hopefully I can catch a smallie or two on it. Another rock bass. Ow. Damn. You know, these things are not usually regarded as like a prize game fish, but they are pretty feisty. It can be fun, especially when you're just taking it easy creek fishing like this. They are pretty aggressive. And they're usually good to ward off a skunk. Nice. Oh, there he goes. A little early morning smallmouth on the 3-inch HD craw with a Z-Man finesse shroom head. Second bite of the morning, so feeling pretty optimistic about this bait right here. We'll straighten it out and get back to it. It's a largemouth. Pretty feisty one at that. Tackle HD, 3-inch craw. He gone. Nice largemouth. Oh, he's got some melon, what do you call it? Melatosis or melon something on his tail. I picked this guy up on the 3-inch Tackle HD high def craw, rigged with the Tackle HD stealth jig head. There you go. Oh yeah, black spots on the tail, pretty cool.